Hi everyone, I'm heidiroro and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share 3 lazy girl hairstyles that I do on the regular. For the first look, I'm doing one of my favorite looks, the side hanging French braid. I'm grabbing the center portion of my right middle part, leaving some hair in the front to French braid later. I start off by doing a regular braid to start off the foundation, then I grab some of my front hair and add it to the existing braid. I just keep grabbing hair from the front and the back until I reach the halfway mark of my braid. Once I reach the halfway mark of my braid, I just do a regular braid all the way down and tie it with a hair tie. Instead of doing a tight braid, I lower where my hair tie is so I have a little bit more space, and then I go through each braid and I pull it apart. I really like pulling apart the braid so it looks less clean, and when you pull it back with the pin, it looks really nice and effortless. Now I just get a bobby pin and I pull it back halfway, and I pin the first bobby pin diagonal, and I get the second bobby pin and I make an X shape. This way I secure it and it's not going to fall apart. As you can see, this hairstyle is so easy, and I love this for second day hair just because it looks presentable without trying too hard. Now for the second look, all you need is one hair tie, and you're just going to split your hair in half. Do not mind my horrible roots. I know, I need to get them redone. Let's not talk about it, okay? You're going to pull back your hair tie, create a hole in the center, and then you're just going to push your hair inside and then pull it out. I have a lot of short hair in the front of my face, so I just like to twist it and then pin it back with a bobby pin. That way it's not falling in front of my face and it just looks more clean. And any baby hairs I have on the side, I kind of pull out just a little bit so it looks a little bit softer. And that completes the second look. This is the twisted half updo. And my third look is, of course, the messy bun. Everyone needs to learn how to perfect the messy bun. It just looks so effortless, and honestly, this is perfect for days when you just don't want to wash your hair, but you still want it to look good. After putting my hair tie around the base of my hair, I'm just messily tying this bun. And what I like to do is I kind of like to fan out my bun. I'm gently pulling at all sides of this bun so it looks extra full and fluffy. And then once I get my desired fluff, I just grab a claw hair clip, and then I get both edges of my bun and I clip it to the actual base of my hair. And that is the third and final look of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what you like to see next, and subscribe so you join the family. Thanks for watching. Bye!